If you want the kind of broad diversification offered by a mutual fund, but you want to avoid the expenses related to purchasing and owning shares of one, you're going to love index funds. An index fund is a special type of mutual fund that attempts to imitate the performance of the overall stock market. Just like a mutual fund, an index fund is a company operated by a professional money manager that's in the business of buying and selling stocks and bonds. But unlike other mutual funds, index funds are not in the business of actively selecting investments in an attempt to generate the largest possible return. Instead, they aim to invest so that they mimic the ups and downs of a specific segment of the stock market as a whole. Index funds have gained tremendous popularity in the past 10 years because they're inexpensive to purchase and own, and in the long run, they tend to be a better investment than most actively managed funds. If you just learned something new, then make that thumbs up button turn blue. And while you're at it, click that red subscribe button too. This has been a Personal Finance Minute. I'm Andrew Shear, and I'll see you next time.